Hello friends, are you one of them who really wants to learn English? Who really wants to speak English? And you are beginner and you have a lot of doubt. So in this video, I'm going to tell you about from where to start our English journey. And I am also beginner, and in this time I am learning English, and whatever I am facing problems while learning English. So guys, I am sharing with you. So I am sharing with you whatever I am facing. This is my purpose, and this video is for beginners who really wants to learn English at the starting time. And suppose you are native speaker, then you can skip this video or you can see, no problem. So my name is Pritam and welcome back to new video. How are you all, my YouTube family? I hope that you must be fit and fine. Well guys, so at the starting time, at the beginner time, so you have a lot of doubt, you are in confusion. So from where to start our English journey? So friends, so first of all you need to ask yourself, what is your level? So and after that you can decide, okay, my level is like this, so what to read? Suppose your level is 0, so at the zero level, so what to read, what to listen, what to do, and what we and at the starting time, at the zero level, then what we should learn. So friends, you have to learn basic vocab, basic thing. Yes, my dear friend, which is easy, like some words, some one or two words you have to remember, and after that you have to try to speak in front of mirror. And after that, after learning what to do, you have to practice in front of mirror. And after that you try to speak in front of people, whatever you have to learn. So friends, you are very expert, you are fluent in your mother tongue. So what to do? Like मुझे थोड़ा सा वाटर दो, लाइक वाटर डाल दो, जैसे कि पौधा में जब हम पानी डालते हैं तो वाटर डाल दो, इस तरह से हमें अपने सेंटेंस में ऐड करना है छोटा छोटा वर्ड. और हम कर सकते हैं कि जैसे कि पैसे की जगह हम क्या कहेंगे, मनी, गिव मी मनी, लाइक छोटा छोटा इम्पेरेटिव सेंटेंस. First of all, at the starting time, at the zero level, imperative sentence like do this. Do means होता है करना, करो ये. तो like this you have to practice this way. So friends, तो मेरा कहने का इतना ही मतलब है, जब भी आप हिंदी में बोले तो जैसे कि बाज़ार, मैं बाज़ार जा रहा हूँ, तो मैं मार्केट जा रहा हूँ. Like this you have to practice and you have to put some words in your Hindi sentence, and this way you have to follow this technique. Definitely you will be able to learn English and you will be able to speak English, definitely. Then and like this, and you have to learn like a simple sentence starting type. You have a learn vocab, and after that you have to learn some simple sentence like where are you? I am, like in this time I am in the tea garden. Where are you? Suppose I am in the market. So like this, so you have to learn some vocab like B1, B2 and B3, like like this. For example, get up. Get up means uthna. Wake up means jagna. So after learning, those vocabs, after learning those verbs, and you have to use, you try to speak. So I get up around 5 o'clock, like this, and I wake up, I wake up 4 o'clock. I wake up at 4 o'clock. So this way you have to practice. So this is the first step. You complete this step, then after that you will move next step. So guys, this way you have to practice. You can, whatever I'm saying right now guys, you have to follow, and definitely I'm sure that you will get benefits. And friends, if you like this video, please like, subscribe the channel. The next video we will see again. Bye bye.